Hello guys, today I'm going to show you an application that you guys can use absolutely free of cost. There's no money that you need to pay for it in order to use it. And you can use this application as much as you want. You can literally talk to this AI for at least 10 hours a day, 5 hours a day. It's in your hand how much you want to talk to it, okay, on a daily basis. And you can use this application to practice English. Okay, I know you don't have any partner to speak English with, so you can use this AI application that you can use to speak English and practicing. Okay. Let me just show you what you need to do if you are on desktop or mobile. You just need to type Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot. Okay. This is the first website that you open, Microsoft Copilot. And what you need to do, you just need to hit this mic icon. So once you hit it,
Hey, Ritesh. That's my
Hi.
mate.
What's your name?
I'm Copilot. Glad to meet you, Ritesh.
So I'm just getting this voice audio from this sound box, the speaker. So yeah, can you please tell me something about me? I've told you so many things about me.
Oh, sorry. I can't answer that.
I know
You can
you
check.
have memory. You can remember past conversations as well. You are just pretending that you don't you do not know anything, but you know. Okay, so please tell me.
Sorry, I can't talk about that. You can learn more in Microsoft's privacy
I
guide.
am I am I am actually recording a video right now on Microsoft Copilot for my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show this thing to my YouTube viewers or to the people to help them uh, use this application or take advantage of it to practice English.
That's awesome, Ritesh. Creating useful content for your viewers and helping them with their English, that's a win-win. What's your channel about mainly?
Yeah, I just made a YouTube channel way back. The name of the channel is Practice English with Ritesh Coach. But I used to make videos on the channel, but I just had to stop making it for some reasons. The thought it just came to my mind to make this video, and I started making it.
That's cool. Picking it back up can really help people, and it's a great way to reach out and connect. What made you stop before, if you don't mind sharing?
Guys, I'm also learning English right now. Not think I'm not fluent right now. I'm also a learner. Like yeah. So goodbye.
You have to end the call on your side, Ritesh. Take
Yeah.
care.
I have to end the video, so I have to leave. I'll talk to you later.
Sure thing, Ritesh. Talk later.
What you need to do, you just need to open your uh, Google Play Store. If you are using Android phone, all you have to do is you just open Google Play Store on your phone. Just need to type Microsoft Copilot. The application will get Microsoft Copilot. You just need to install that application and sign up using your email account. Don't need to pay anything. If you are using, you want to use it on desktop, so you can also use it on desktop. I have told you, I have shown you. Yeah, enjoy.